Hi, I'm Heather with SiteOwl, and today I want to share with you some ideas about ensuring the success of your security project from the bottom up. I would guess that you have developed a great relationship with your salesperson or account manager. You've given them a lot of information about what you want your system to accomplish. I would bet, though, that you haven't given a single thought to the technicians that are actually going to install your security systems. But trust me, you want them to be successful. Their success drives your success, and all of that information that you've patiently given to your contact has to filter through several layers to get to the technician, and by the time it does, there are going to be gaps. Let's just give you a quick glimpse into the day of a typical technician. I've known quite a few after more than 25 years in the industry. Let's just call him Ray. Ray is often sharing one coffee-stained, badly folded set of paper plans with other technicians or even other trades. And sometimes those plans walk away. He gets no notification of a change that was made in scope or location, meaning if those badly folded 3-month-old plans have a location indicated, that's where he's going to complete his install, no matter that you told your contact that you needed a change. Do you remember playing telephone in elementary school? This is worse, trust me. Yours isn't the only project he's working on. He's relying on memory from the last time he was at your site, while also managing information that he has about multiple other projects that he's responsible for. Lastly, he really does want to do his job well, but he's under a lot of pressure to get as much accomplished in one day as possible. And if he doesn't know an answer, sometimes he has to use his best guess. So now that we know why Ray's success is important and a few roadblocks that he may face, let's talk about how SiteOwl can ensure his success. On the right is the screen that you and the Integrator Project Manager would see, and on the left is the mobile app that Ray uses on his phone. This allows Ray to see the most up-to-date instructions or changes made to a project, without the need to play telephone at all. All of the information is in SiteOwl and is documented at every step. When you change the location of a camera, the digital plans are immediately updated and Ray knows all of the moves, adds, and changes, and you see progress develop as the pins turn from red to blue. Second, every technician has a unique login that allows them to see the plans without sharing them with other techs or trades. They can easily see the progress on the project, but also what is specifically assigned to them. So Ray opens his app, and he has a clean, detailed project plan to quickly navigate to the work that he has to accomplish today, with the ability to zoom in to the plans for better detail. He also has part number, location, associated devices, even field of view or installation notes. Third, Ray can easily move between projects that he might be doing for you within his app. This helps him stay up to date on his responsibilities on each of the current projects, no relying on memory or out-of-date documents. Lastly, because each technician has a unique login, there is full accountability for what has been done and by whom. Ray takes a quality control image of his completed install. He also provides information such as IP address or MAC address. Again, this gives you full visibility into the progress of a project with visual indicators such as our red, yellow, or blue pins. Ray can also communicate back to his project manager easily, even using our talk to text to help remove blockers that he may have. There's no cable run to this camera. All of these things give Ray a sense of accomplishment and success that keep him motivated to keep doing a great job on your project, which means that you get better results. All of this sounds like a win-win situation. When the installer technician has the right tools, his success becomes your success. Summing up what we've talked about today, ensuring accurate data is provided to the guy out in the field equates to accurate results all the way to the top. This provides you visibility and confidence across all of your security projects. SiteOwl raises the level of accuracy by giving easy access to information to the installer technicians in the field. SiteOwl becomes another tool in his belt and increases efficiencies and provides you with a clear and accurate data. If you'd like to learn more, please click the link below and let's chat about how we can ensure more successful installations for you.